Hello friends, greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Kingdom. Friends, as you know, I bring a new website in front of you every day, which is a very amazing website. If you buy a token on it, then you will get huge profit in future. Friends, let's start the video without wasting time. Before us starting the video, if you are the first time visit my channel, so please like, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that the notification of the my upcoming new videos can reach first. Let's start the video, friends. Here you can see that the name of this website, the website name tonekingtoken.com. So friends, see this, meet the BUSD king. Tone King token is here. Tone King token is coming to the Binance Smart Chain. Don't miss this life changing opportunity. Follow our social profiles and join the community. BSC contract addresses, see copy link and go to wallet. Friends, see this, our futures. Tone King token, big vision, great futures. See this, where can you see this, friends? Rewards to earn BUSD and 4% auto liquidity pool and buy back and bond. Massive marketing, 10% of every buy and 12% of every sale is taken and distributed to all holders. Reward in the form of BUSD or automatically sent to your wallet every 16 minutes. So friends, 4% of every sell transaction is transformed into liquidity for PancakeSwap. It's automatic and helps create a price floor and adds price stability. LP will be locked for 1 year. 2% will be allocated to buyback and bond function with each transaction. This will ultimately reduce supply. More bond strategies will be development in the our next roadmap place. So friends, with each is buy transactions 1% is allocated and with each sell transaction 2% is added to the marketing funds. We have the most ambitious project and rewards our activate community. So friends, where can you see this tokenomics all about our community? 20% bond at launch, 15% locked and PancakeSwap LP for 1 year per pink sale, pink log and limited by smart contract. 13% total buy tax and 12% BUSD awards for holders, 2% buyback and bond. So friends, you can see this, 20% bought at launch and 15% locked on PancakeSwap LP for 1 year per sale and limited by smart contract. 13% total buy tax and see this, 10% BUSD rewards for holders, 2% buyback and bond limited by smart contract, 1% marketing and 12% BUSD rewards for holders, 4% liquidity pool, 2% marketing and 2% buyback and bond. So friends, see this, the smart tax smart contract. How to buy Tone King token? Question 1, download and tap MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Download MetaMask browser extensions wallet or Trust Wallet mobile app wallet and Binance Smart Chain BSC to your network list. Click here for step-by-step tutorial. So friends, buy and send BNB to MetaMask and buy BNB on an exchange E. Binance, Coinbase, etc. Withdraw the BNB tokens to your MetaMask BEP20 wallet address using Binance Smart Chain as network BEP20 wallet address and see this, our Strangely roadmap. Phase 1, Tone King token birth, website launch, pink sale per sale, white paper release, marketing push and eduate coin Yakov, Apple coin market cap, Apple and $5 million market cap. Phase 2, 50k members in Telegram group, 30k followers in Twitter, CEX listing, big influencers marketing and credit adult and $25 million market cap. Phase 3 Tone Kings swap, $50 million market cap, and CEX listings charity program. Tesla giveaway NFT game mode the to be announced. So friends, where you can see this per sale frequently asked questions. So how many tokens hold to receive rewards? So click it and see this your answers, and see this how do I check my rewards. Click and answer you check on the dashboard. Here's the team dashboard. See this checkout, and this slow down and less down. Friends, this is the members of a telegram group. Ronin Madrid. This is my name is Ronin Madrid. I want a great dot company. I love crypto, want to be part of a project that is made for the people, and devs are not stringy. I was playing golf and will be with my family. So friends, Elise, my name is Elise. See, can check join our amazing community. See the friends basic address, copy link, and go to friends and share with Tone Tofia incoming. So you check out documents, white paper, can seek eduate, follow us telegram, discord, twitter, reddit, facebook, and Tone Fear NFT collection. So friends, you can see here I have given you complete details about this video with these friends. My video is over. For now, see you in the next video. For now, good.